Here I've got Huawei MediaPad M5 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first, slide down the upper bar, and once your battery is low, then your device will suggest you to turn on power saving mode here. Simply click on turn on power saving mode, and now we are in battery settings. You can simply enable power saving mode by tapping here and confirm that you would like to enable low power solution in your device. Click on enable, and that's it. Now we are in low power solution mode. Here you've got a notification that power saver is active. You can obviously switch it off the same way simply by tapping over here, and now we are back in the normal mode. Meanwhile, you can also optimize battery usage by clicking over here, and as you can see, now it's in good condition, so it just optimized some power settings. Click on. You can also optimize screen timeout, set to 30 seconds, so it can change to 15 seconds. Let me optimize it. Then turn off auto sync and also turn off auto rotate, optimize. And now your battery will last definitely way longer. So that's it. This is how you can optimize your battery, how you can enable and use low power solution. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.